What is up, gang? Come with me while I do this setup. I just want to get the video before I start moving fast. Next clip will be me putting everything in the bag. In the car, but we about to do this balloon setup. All right, let's get it, mate. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and start recording because I just realized this is a growing pain for me. So I have a stand, but I took the top part off and threw it away, and I was like, I could just get a hula hoop anywhere. And these hula hoops are like not in stock, and only Five Below have them. So I'm driving there right now, and my pickup time is, my drop-off time is 12 o'clock, but I'm not even going to make that. So I'm going to make there at probably like 12:30. But right now it's just like, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. I had everything together, even so, but I could have drove to the store yesterday and got this, but I thought it was going to be in the city where I needed to be at. So I need to drive to the next city over to actually do this. But I'll see y'all when I get to the place. I was going to go to my brother's house to like finish the balloons, but I could finish the top balloons there. I think they would have